Hi, you're in the right place if you're presently confused about the direction that your life is going in. Maybe you just lost your job, or maybe you're trying to get out of that dead-end job so that you can do the things that you love the most. Or maybe your kids are leaving home, or you're ending a relationship and you just don't know how to navigate and get to where you want to be so that you can really live the life that you feel you deserve and that you desire. Hi, I'm Janet Atwood, and I'm the creator of the Passion Test. And I've spoken on stages with the Dalai Lama, Sir Richard Branson, Stephen Covey. I've trained over 3,500 Passion Test facilitators in over 65 countries. And I've been helping people align with their passions for over 2 decades. And the thing that gets me most turned on and so excited is that over 1 million people have taken the Passion Test to get clear on the things that matter most to them. One of the things that we say in the Passion Test is, when you're clear, what you choose to have show up in your life will. And only to the extent that you're clear, that clarity is power. We all know what it feels like when we're clear about the things that matter most to us, and what it feels like when we're around people that are on fire about their life. They know the direction they're going in. They're clear on their passions. They're like a magnet. Well, I want that for you. And so I want you to take the passion assessment. That's the first step in getting clear on your path of passion. These questions are right below, and there are only 7 really super simple questions. Takes just a few minutes to do. And when you're done, you just click that blue submit button, and then within 10 to 15 minutes, my team will email you the questions and you'll find them in your inbox. So if you're ready to take that next step in getting clear on the things that matter most to you, your passions, then click that button below and I'll meet you on the next video and get you started to really living the life that you deserve to live, the life of passion.